Alright, got me a couple more packs of butt weld clamps. Now I'm getting ready to start spot welding it on. Well, here's the patch panel with some of the tacks in it. I got most of the tacks in it. I still have a few clamps in it, but I've got it for the most part tacked in. I just got to fill in the spaces. Alright, there's the patch panel all tacked into place. Now it's time to start cleaning up the welds. Well, I've got it all welded in. I got most of the welds grinded down. Back in the past, I got a little bit too much of a hurry and I decided to put that gas door in, and I hadn't fixed the dent that was here previously. Didn't realize how deep that dent was, and after I put this patch in, I couldn't get the gas door thing was deeper into the panel than the rest of it. It wasn't flush, so I had to do quite a bit of work to get it back out there. Ended up having to do a little bit of cutting and then put a bar in behind it to pry it out and stretch it, and then re-weld it back up. And I got it out there finally. Took me this whole day. I'll have to do some more work on it tomorrow. Thanks for watching.